straighten this camera out here, scrappers. There we are. So anyway, I had a lot of requests on this safe. I've had this safe about 10 months now, and there's some change in it. There's something in it. I don't know what's in it. We're going to find out what's in it because we're going to crack this safe today. CC Scraps, welcome to the show, folks. Well, let's get busy. We're going to start. There's some holes in here. It's upside down. There's some holes in here probably where you can bolt it to the floor. That's where I'm going to start my cuts. I don't know. Alright, I had to take a quick pause the camera because it's kind of boring just to watch me just chop the safe. But I got one last cut, let you guys see that, and then we're going to crack this bad boy open. See if CC Scraps can scrap full time. Alright, there's a baggie in here. Holy shit. Oh my god.
What you got?
I've got coins. Baby, you gotta come down here.
Oh.
This is crazy. I've got old coins. I've got old watches. I've got an old Sunoco. I don't know what that is. Oh my god. More watches. A little multi-tool. All sorts of jewelry. Coins. Watches. Baby, look at all these watches. There's...
Oh, wow.
What is this thing? I don't even know what this thing is.
Let me see. Those coins are in those cases.
Yeah, okay. Oh my goodness. Scrappers, this is crazy. Look at this. Coins. Memorabilia coins from the U.S. Mint. I've got mad more watches. This guy was an avid watch collector, whatever kind of safe this was. I can't believe I waited. Oh my god. It's Department of the Army. Whoever had this safe was in the Army. I was in the Army. This is like,
wow.
This is crazy. Scrap and pallet, man. This must be a sign. I swear. Good Lord. Look what's in here. Crosses. What did I just say, scrap and pallet, man?
Wow.
What did I just say?
Yeah.
That's solid gold. Oh my god. It's still... Scrappers. Alright, I gotta pause the camera.
You need to open it.
Yeah, I do. Hold on a minute. I gotta stop this. Okay, we are back, scrappers. Alright, I had to pause the camera and let you know what everything has been found here. It's bunch of jewelry. I think these are all, that might be white gold. I know that's gold. There's some kind of wedding band. I don't know. I'm going to bring these and have one of my jeweler buddies look at it. This cool king ring. That's pretty cool. I'm going to have to keep that. A couple crosses. A U.S. Army fob. I'm keeping this. And I'm keeping this. It's another military watch fob. Found another watch fob. Peace sign. This cool razor blade, fake razor blade kind of skull. I don't know. That's kind of dope. All these proof sets of coins. I don't know how much this is all worth. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 watches. 11 watches and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of the 12. How many did I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 8 of the 11 watches work. There's Invictas, Belovas, a Gucci right here. I don't know what Ernest Benz. I don't know who that is. And then there's one more over here that I forgot to bring in. We found this Sunoco coin, this musty ass $2 bill, and this watch here, Renato. I don't know who makes this, but this is a very nice watch. In the box like that. So yeah, I'm gonna have my watch guy look at all these watches and see what that's worth. A little multi-tool, I'm gonna keep that. But yeah, scrappers, that's what's up. That's how you crack a safe right there, CC Scrap style. Alright, I'm going to get this stuff together and I'm going to get to my contacts and see what's going on here. And we will get back to you. Wow, I'm still like, I can't believe this. Like, this is literally, as the year and a half or so I've been a scrapper, this is the best score I've ever had. This could be potentially worth thousands of dollars or hundreds of dollars. We don't know. We don't know anything right now. But you will as soon as I do. It's crazy. All right, folks. I'm going to get this video up and hope you enjoy it. CC Scraps, y'all. Peace.